My name is Jane Moore. I work for QuesTec Mechanical as the Director of Human Resources and Workforce Development. QuesTec Mechanical is an HVAC service company. Our clients are owners of commercial buildings, and we perform preventative maintenance on their HVAC equipment, as well as service calls whenever their system goes down. Interplay Learning helps to implement our commercial HVAC apprenticeship program. Implementing an apprenticeship program is not for the weary of heart. It is a lot of work. So I can say from the experience of registering directly with the Department of Labor versus going through an advocate like Interplay Learning, it is night and day processes. Really at the cornerstone of what QuesTec values is giving people opportunities to grow. So continuing education is one of the greatest ways of doing that. One of the most valuable ways of providing continuing education for us has been through a structured apprenticeship program. It makes all of the training trackable, allows our apprentices to earn regular credentials, and it also assists them getting professional trade licensure. It allows us to customize all of our training based on the book of business we have, our client needs. It gives us a lot of power and a lot of autonomy to train on the topics that are needed. Our program through Interplay Learning has helped with our retention of apprentices because I think they really do just feel that investment of that continuing education. We want to instill knowledge in them and give them resources to grow and learn faster. I think the simulations have been really positive, especially for our younger apprentices. Technology is one of the biggest things that they're looking for, keeps their interest. So I think that engagement is really valuable. In this day and age, HVAC technicians are really hard to find, and so we have to recruit and train internally. But Interplay Learning has made it significantly easier. It's been cost effective, and the product has been really well received by our apprentices. I would absolutely recommend Interplay Learning to just about anyone. They're very responsive. They're happy to email back and forth, jump on a call, and that's given us the ability to do a lot of customization. So that response time is huge. But if you've never done apprenticeship before, it can feel really intimidating. So getting started with a company that's going to manage all of the administrative tasks of registering with the Department of Labor and having those standards, and someone who can explain that to you, that is an absolute gift